Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on PUBG. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your name on your PUBG account, then first make sure to open up your PUBG application and you are also logged into your account. Wait until your PUBG game loads. Once you're logged into your PUBG account, from the main homepage, tap on the inventory button at the bottom right. Now, tap on the crate icon from the expanded menu. Soon after you do that, from this options, make sure to select this ID card and you can use this card in order to change your name once per day. Tap on use and enter your new nickname in the text box that you'd like to change to. After you're done typing in the name, tap on OK and confirm the changes by tapping OK again. And that is how you'll be able to change your name on PUBG. You can see that your name has been changed right next to your profile icon at the top left. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.